Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 2 of hybrid biology. Some announcements. The first thing on your agenda, you will see new assignments posted, and this is called the attendance tracker or the attendance check-in. I created this for a few reasons. Number one, it is to make things a little bit easier for me when checking your attendance, because it'll just give me a Google form and mark it the time and the date when you filled it out. You only need to do this if you're remote and if it's a day where our class would meet. So Tuesdays or Fridays, depending on your cohort. Fill it out when you're remote. This eliminates the need for you to send me an email just for your attendance. If you have questions on assignments, please do send me an email. But if you don't have any questions and can do the assignment just fine, make sure you fill in this attendance tracker also. This also makes it easier for me because if there are people who decided to get a jump start on the work for the week, they can, and I won't have to backtrack and figure out who was there for attendance. I do ask that you hold off on completing this assignment until the date that it is posted on your agenda, because if you do it early, then that means you're just going to have to do it again on the date that it says on the attendance, so that way I can mark you present for that day. But all the other classwork, if you want to do it ahead of time, you are welcome to. This also eliminates that double whammy. If there is an instance where you can't get your assignments done for whatever reason, if at the bare minimum you fill out the attendance tracker, you can at least be marked present for attendance. But if you don't complete the work by the 11:59 p.m. deadline, it'll still be marked late. But if you do the attendance tracker by then, you'll be marked present at least for the day. So that way, if you don't do an assignment, you will be marked both absent and late work. So this should be the first thing that you do every day that you are remote. Our agenda for the week looks something like this. I'm going to be updating it with some more hyperlinks, but all the hyperlinks for your Wednesday remote day are there. You have the attendance tracker. There is a lab safety pretest. When we come in, see you in person, we are going to go over lab safety. And then there is also a video on the scientific method to help prepare you for when we do experiments in class. Edpuzzle is a program. It plays a video and will pop up questions throughout the video. Edpuzzle does track who does the assignments and what time you log in and whether or not you actually finish the whole video and the answers to your question. So it's really important that you do that Edpuzzle assignment. It does count as a part of your grade. Later on in the week, I will be posting some additional assignments, and I will be posting updating this with the hyperlinks. We will be doing an activity about characteristics of life and a scavenger hunt. And then when we are in class, we will talk about lab safety and do some more work with the scientific method. If you have any questions, please send me an email.